Hello, my name is Autris Dennis and welcome to your patent drawing course. In this introductory lesson, we will explore an overview of patent drawings. Now, you will not just be learning patent drawings only. You will be learning how to trace an object, how to sketch, how to doodle. You'll be able to learn whatever you want to draw using a sophisticated CAD software. You will prepare accurate vector drawings of whatever, using whatever method that you will come up with to be able to get that impossible drawing. So this is not an engineering course. This is your patent drawing course. What is a patent drawing? A patent drawing function